This is how you find the country India's national government debt.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
We have our first website, seekdata.com. You can go on Google and type this directly, but we're showing data points from 1998 to 2024. This is a more extensive, in-depth website. As you can see, we have a chart, all the way from 21 to 2024. And this is current. $2 billion in debt. I believe, if I'm reading that correctly. You have lists of different countries if you were to scroll down. And if you were to scroll down, you even have India's key series. You can see their total tax revenue. You can see the national government debt in USD and so forth. You can check their expenditure, etc. This is a good website. The next website is dataworldbank.org. As you can see, we have a different, we have a line graph, bar chart. You can see their debt. And if you were to scroll down, we have lists of different countries. I like this website. It's called macrotrends.net. You can see their debt from 1960 to 2024. Again, we have a chart. We scroll down and we go all the way from the present all the way back to 1960. Pretty useful website. The last website, usdebtclock.org. And if we can scroll down here, we can see India is actually, I think, towards the bottom. But basically, you can see how much debt that the country has. Oh, it's right here. And they basically have $3.3 trillion of debt. And you can even see the population, 1.45 trillion people who live in India. Pretty crazy. Subscribe for more tutorials. I'll leave the links down in the description to these websites. Share the video. I'm out.